scissors. I have some tape here, a glue stick, and a variety of recycled papers. This is some tissue paper from a birthday present, and some magazines. So I want to show you how I did the butterfly on this shaker. And I'm just going to move all of this out of the way so you can see. So what I did was I folded the paper that I wanted for my butterfly in half. And I think I was going to use this area because it kind of reminds me a little bit of a wing. And I'm just going to, actually fold it one more time. So into 4 sections. And now I'm going to just cut kind of like a petal or leaf shape like this. Cut that away and then open it up. And when you open it up, you have 2 double wings. And what I did was I put them together like so to create the butterfly. This one is slightly a different shape that I did on there. So I kind of folded them in the middle like this. And then I used some of this tape. And I made a tape roll. When you're working with tape, it's sometimes frustrating because it curls up on itself. So what I do is I attach it to a surface area. It's best to even put it on a table edge, and that's kind of hard for me to do here on the video, but I leave it there and then I cut it or tear it, and so it doesn't roll up on itself so much. So what you're going to do is actually leave it there and just roll it up into a little roll like this. And so it is the sticky side of the tape on the outside. And now I can just use this for the body of the butterfly. See how I have the wings kind of overlap like this? And then I'm going to do that one more time to create the antennas. So about this much, leave it sticking on there. See, it kind of wants to curl up on its own anyways. So actually I want to do longer antennas, so I'm going to roll it the other way, this way. Here we go. And kind of give it a little twist in the middle and twist them out this way and that way to thin them out a little bit. And if you like to give them a little curl at the end, you can certainly do that. And now it sticks on itself because it's the sticky part of the tape. And here you go. Here you have a beautiful butterfly that you can add to your shaker. So maybe I'll add this on here to the side. And the way I would add this on would be with another tape loop. So I'm just doubling the tape on itself, kind of like we did before, but a little bit wider. Attach that to the back of the butterfly, and voila, you can add it on wherever you like. Beautiful. Yay, my shakers are done. So I want to try them out. Here's the one filled with rice, and these are the sounds I can make with this shaker. kind of soft. Here is the tin can filled with beans. Definitely louder. And here is the plastic one filled with almonds. It's now all covered up with my beautiful decoration. Let's give that a shake. Sounds pretty good. I think my favorite are these two. This is the rice in the glass jar. Sounds pretty good. Your shaker makes noise when the dried beans or rice inside hit the walls of the container. Shaking your instrument slowly means that the beans move more slowly inside the container, creating a softer swishing sound.